Say hello. Hi, welcome to Gold Coast. Welcome to Gold Coast, Saki. Whose room is this, Saki or Blakey? Where's Saki sleep? Outside? Outside? Oh, poor Saki. Hi, Dongski. Konnichiwa.
It broke. It broke.
What's broken? Naguba na. It's broken.
It was already broken.
This bedroom got bathroom. Bathroom.
You sleep on the toilet.
It's only small, but it's okay. It's clean.
Sleep on the toilet.
Shower. Then, veranda. Nindot kaayo mga maringkay kuan. Ang panahon hindi masyadong malamig. Can you open the door or it's broken? Broken? Oh, Oh! I can actually open. Open daw. Oh, naguba na. Naguba ng pultahan. Just close it. Makabayad tang giatay. Just close it. Nangatanggal ng screw. It's actually not too bad here. No. I don't think we stayed this part of Surfers before. No. It's got small. So this one is Airbnb, Haidong. Airbnb. Ang duha ka mga bata, asa naman to. Then, apoy laundry, mga maring, washing, dustpan, o manilhig ta. Then, there's sink. Nindot kaayo. It's only small, but very complete, no? Oh, there's a separate here, toilet here. Oh, there's a separate toilet here. Then, there's dining table. Naatay, salamin, and here's Blake and Saki.
Hello, Dad.
Whose bedroom is it there?
Mine too.
All your bedroom? No bedroom for Saki?
Sleep on the toilet.
Oh, this one got no. Oh, this one have toilet as well. Ah, both bedroom have ensuite bathroom, sink. Oh, then shower. Oh no, this one don't have toilet. It only got bathroom, sink and shower. No toilet.
It's already in there. Come on.
Open the curtain, though. Open the curtain.
In the toilet. It's hidden. Look, it's right here.
I actually like the color. No, they choose. It's very peace. It's calming. It's simple but nice. Then this is the view outside. That side is the dagat. And this side is the city. And that side is Blake.
I'm your neighbor.
Oh, hello, neighbor.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
He looks drunk. Murag hubog maning bata, this side, noisy kay kuan. Dagan kayong traffic. Pero i-close ra ang window, dili ra madungog mga maring. Maganda. Mura lang ang nabook namin dito kay kuan.
Back.
Airbnb man.
Your neighbor is back.
Naiba is back. Hello, Blake.
Hello, neighbor.
Hello, Naiba. Ginawa ko ang energy ni Blake nag-awas. Go back inside. Maybe Saki can sleep here tonight. Saki, this is your bedroom.
No, it's too big.
Then me. Then this kitchen. We can do cooking. But we're not gonna cook. Merong fridge. Let's see what's inside the fridge. Look.
There's
Just milk.
That's a lot.
Just milk. Freezer.
other things.
Nothing.
That's a lot.
Ice?
Oh, very cool.
No. Ice maker is empty. No, it's stuck. It won't La, na, it's stuck.
Are you going to
Kasala patag maguba ni.
It,
Close.
like,
Oh, naay mga luwag. We can actually cook. It's complete. Oh, there's kuan electric stove. Oh, there's coffee and sugar. Sugar, coffee. Pero nagdala kami ng kape namin. Then merong kettle. Sink. Nice, very nice. Very clean.
we're going to sleep there.
Dishwasher, microwave, and big lounge room. Bigger than, yeah. Oh, there's bar fridge. We can buy wine and get drunk. This one. I like this design actually because it's very minimalist. It looks very tidy. I don't mind live here, house like this. You like it here, Saki?
Yeah.
Nice? Yeah.
It's boiling.
Ah.
Open. Oh, it's getting colder now outside. Baho sigarilyo na amor na ina ni garilyo. We will go to the beach later. Kay you want to play? Where's
Neighbor. Call you. Again.
Ha? Kiat yun yung bata, uy. Hi! Hello, neighbor! Hello! Go inside na kasi it's cold. Oh, very nice kaayo mga maring. Medyo maliit siya pero okay na kaayo, kompleto kaayo mga maring. Dako-dako ang sala dito. Tapos kaunan, tapos kusina, no? Merong lutuan. Okay na ito kaayo mga maring. Tapos ganahan ako kay kaning malinis ba. Limpyo, no? Parang minimalist ang kanyang style pero malinis kaayo mga maring, oh. No, tawhay ba? Ito lang okay na ito kaayo. Naganda sana magstay dito ng isang linggo, no? Sus, Ginoo ko. Trabaho man tayo mga maring. Kusina. Dito ang kwarto ni Saki. Dito si Saki matulog mamaya. Meron siyang banyo pero kuan walay kasilyas. Walay toilet, banyo ra o kaning. Sink, lababo. Nindot kaayo. Tawhay kaayo mga maring. Tapos ang kwarto namin ni Dongski. Hello. Kiat. Ang kuan, nindot kita nawon no mga maring, maganda pala ganitong kulay sa bahay mga maring, brown lang no, wooden lang na kulay, tapos meron tayong mga green. So para siyang kaning nature lover lang ang vibe niya no, minimalist pero nindot ka itanawon. Tapos dito ang kwarto namin ni Adarang kasilyas ni Saki. Walang kasilyas doon sa kwarto niya pero meron dito. Tapos dito kuan, kwarto namin Dongski. Dito merong kuan. Dito merong kasilyas mga maring. Okay na ito kaayo, nindot kayo dito mga maring. Matulog lang man din kami dito mga maring kay bukas. Maaga kami magising kay maglaag man kami. Matulog lang tayo dito. Nindot no, maganda dito magstay siguro mga isang linggo no kay matagbaw talaga tayo ba. Kapag dito magstay ng isang linggo, okay lang kaayo mga maring kasi makaluto man tayo no. Hindi tayo masobraan kagasto kay magbili-bili ng pagkain ba. Dito makaluto man tayo. No? Sus, magkuan tayo, mag-day off tayo ng matagal kay magstay tayo dito no. Unya na lang na tayo kwarta. Wa man tayo kwarta oy, giatay. Nindot kaayong view mga maring. Tapos magandang kuan weather ang panahon ngayon mga maring kay hindi malamig. Nindot kaayo. Laag sa dagat. Sunset. Blake, hi! Saki, Dongski. Nice sunset now. Don't get wet, Blake. Don't get wet. Alin na. Are you wet? Is your pants wet? Oh, watch out! Watch out!